The healthcare industry historically has been recession-proof, but in the midst of a global pandemic, your revenues are likely being decimated. Many Americans have lost their jobs and insurance coverage, and chances are they're desperate for a solution to cover their out-of-pocket medical costs without crushing them financially. You're in the business of providing care, not lending money, but long-term patient financing is in demand more than ever. So what can you do to care for people, make sure that care is affordable, and recover as much of your revenue as possible? ClearBalance Healthcare takes that burden off your shoulders and provides a seamless patient financial journey. The process is simple. Your financial counselor or the patients themselves can enroll in the ClearBalance program for payment options guided by your organization's financial policy. All patients can use our program. No application, no credit checks necessary. Once out-of-pocket costs are finalized, we'll bill the patient and pay you what you're owed. With ClearBalance, your patients get financial peace of mind, you improve revenue, and you can focus on what you do best, providing care for people in need. Call us for a customized financial analysis and start making ClearBalance patient financing a component of your revenue recovery and patient re-engagement strategy.